Two spinners are spun. Spinner A shows the numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8, each equally likely. Spinner B shows the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, each equally likely. Let n equal 10 times spinner A plus spinner B. What is the probability that n is a perfect square? The choices are 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, count the outcomes. Spinner A has 4 values and spinner B has 4 values. So there are 4 times 4, which is 16 equally likely outcomes. Since n equals 10 times A plus B, the smallest value is 51 and the largest is 84. Next, find the perfect squares between 51 and 84. 7 squared is 49, which is too small. 8 squared is 64. And 9 squared is 81. Both in range. 10 squared is 100. Too big. So the only perfect squares we can hit are 64 and 81. Now look at all 16 outcomes in this table. N equals 64 when A is 6 and B is 4. And n equals 81 when A is 8 and B is 1. So exactly 2 of the 16 outcomes give a perfect square. That means the probability is 2 out of 16, which simplifies to 1/8. That is answer choice B.